Gusto niyo ba maging flight attendant pero hindi niyo alam ang mga requirements? Nahiya ba kayo mag-apply as FAs dahil baka hindi kayo qualified? Kung yun ang mga questions niyo, then this episode is for you. What's up mga kakulitan and kakulutan? Welcome back to the Cool Channel. Na-miss niyo siguro ako, ano? It's been a week since nakapag-shoot kami ng last video namin. Sorry, pero it has been a busy week, kaya hindi namin nagawa kagad yung mga videos. Pero babawi kami, and now will be the beginning of a new trend. Pero bago natin ituloy yung video, I would like to thank you all for watching our previous 3 videos. And also, please do not forget to support us every time we make new videos. Please like and share this video, and also subscribe to our channel, The Cool Channel. This is Ron Manzanilla, or Ron Colot to some people. For those who don't know me, I have been a flight attendant for 17 years. That's 2 years po with a local carrier before, tapos 15 years with an international airline. Right now po, I'm operating the first and only FA training center sa north ng Manila. So, as you can see, yung buong buhay ko naka-dedicate into aviation and flying. So, marami akong garner na information and experience with regards to being a flight attendant. So in this series of videos, I will be teaching you as much as I can. Tutulungan ko lahat kayo na gustong maging flight attendant, and I will do my best to of course share what I know and to help you guys out to reach for your wings. Without further delay, we will be starting our first video, which will be dedicated to the physical requirement of flight attendant aspirants. So ito yung mga hinahanap ng airlines physically sa mga applicants nila. Let's start with the first requirement. First is age. As you all know, we have to be legally aged to sign contracts, diba? Kasi if you get hired by airlines, you need to be 18 years old and above. So 18 years yung minimum age. In the Philippines right now, wala naman tayong age limit. So kung before may mga age limit ang airlines, nowadays wala na siyang age limit. So, anybody can basically apply to be flight attendants. Kailangan lang ma-maintain mo yung sarili mo, you still look fresh, you still look young, and walang problema. Siyempre, kailangan malakas yung katawan mo because being a flight attendant is a physical task. So, kailangan malakas yung katawan. Pagdating naman sa international airlines, based on my experience, the oldest person na walang experience na nakalipad ko who flew with that international airline is 35 years old. So, siya yung pinakamatandang alam ko na lumipad with me in that airline na wala pang experience. Now, the second item or second requirement for flight attendants is actually the height. Very crucial, very important. Bakit? Because height is required not just for your good looks, but of course, for safety reason. Meron kasing mga equipment sa aeroplano na pwede mo lang abutin kung medyo matangkad ka, diba? So, because of that reason, majority of the airlines in the world would require their flight attendants, for ladies, to be at least 5 feet 2 inches. Yun yung pinaka mababang pwede ang isang babae sa international airlines na maging flight attendant. Sa mga local carriers natin, medyo mataas ng konti yung requirement nila. They need the ladies to be around 5'3". Ngayon, may ilang airlines din around the world. Konti lang sila na pwedeng payagan yung mga babae na 5 feet and 1 inch. Pero konting airlines lang yun. For guys, for the local carriers would be requiring guys to be around 5'6". Sa mga international airlines, 5'5" and a half to 5'6" din yung requirement nila. So for guys, you have to be 5'5" and a half to be a flight attendant. The third requirement is the arm reach. So yun yung haba ng kamay na kaya mo extend over a certain height. Kasi nga, hindi lahat ng tao pinanganak na matangkad. And not because you're not that tall doesn't mean you cannot be a flight attendant. Because there are airlines in the world na pwede kang matanggap kahit na hindi ka masyadong matangkad, pero mahaba yung arm reach mo. Diba? So, it depends really kung malagpasan mo yung requirement nila, which is usually 212 centimeters. Kahit na hindi maabot ng height mo yung certain height, kung maabot mo yung 212 centimeters sa arm reach, you are still qualified to become a flight attendant. Ang ibang airlines, medyo mababa yung requirement nila for arm reach, 208 centimeters. The fourth requirement is actually need for flight attendant aspirants is their weight. Now, very controversial yung weight issue. So, normally, airlines would have their tables for height and weight proportionality. Mamaya papakita ko sa inyo yung table na ginagamit namin dito sa MIFATS, dito sa school namin, to classify a person if this person is normally normal yung height and weight niya, kung underweight siya or kung overweight. Now, some airlines like AirAsia for example still relies on the body mass index. Ito yung formula na ginagamit para malaman nila kung within the healthy range ba yung isang tao or overweight na naman siya or underweight. So, AirAsia uses BMI to make sure that their flight attendants are within the right weight. Fifth requirement is clear skin. Right? You heard me right there, it's clear skin. Hindi mo kailangan maging perfect, hindi mo kailangan maging flawless to become a flight attendant. You just need to have, alam yun, healthy skin na hindi masyadong maraming nakaka-distract na components such as big moles, for example, or breakout yung mga tagyawat sa mukha masyado na galit na hindi maiko-conceal yan. Those things are hindi pwede. Hindi rin pwede yung mga malaking mga scars sa mukha, yung mga peklat na madaling mapansin, di ba? Yung mga tattoo rin sa mukha, hindi rin pwede yan, syempre. So anything that catches attention sa mukha ng tao, yun yung tinutukoy niya sa clear skin. So, kailangan walang masyadong chismis, sabi nga. Kailangan walang masyadong chismis sa mukha to be qualified as a flight attendant. The sixth requirement is a good set of teeth. Once again, hindi mo kailangan magkaroon ng perfect teeth. Ang importante lang, properly occluded. So, pag nagkatabi-tabi yung ngipin, hindi pwedeng merong masyadong maraming sungki or hindi pwedeng may gaps, especially yung mga gaps sa ngipin, kailangan ma-fill yun, kailangan matakpan yung mga gaps natin. And yung mga sungki, it's either bubunutin or aayusin ng kaunti para hindi masyadong, once again, tumawag ng atensyon. Sa mga special conditions sa ngipin, braces is actually a no-no. Pwede mong ipaayos yung ngipin mo before the hiring process, pero pag nag-a-apply ka na to be a flight attendant, then definitely braces are not allowed. Yung mga removable dentures naman, syempre hindi rin pwede ang removable dentures sa mga forward part ng ngipin kasi for safety reason yan, baka malunon mo or whatever. Pero if you have fixed bridge or siguro implants, walang problema yan, okay lang yan. The next requirement is the size of the tattoos, kung meron man. And kung may airlines na hindi nag-a-apply, na hindi tumatanggap ng mga may tattoos, right? So yung tattoo very ano ba to, sabihin natin, parang hindi siya talaga fine-favoran ng mga airlines eh. So yung tattoo mo kailangan nakatago sa uniform. So whenever you're wearing a short sleeve uniform, for example, then pwede ka lang mag-tattoo na nandun sa loob ng sleeves na nakatago sa uniform. Kapag yung tattoo mo will be exposed out of the uniform, then definitely the airlines won't take you. However, meron ding airlines sa mundo, kagaya ng airline na pinanggalingan ko, na tattoos are definitely not allowed. No matter how small they are, no matter how hidden they are, pag dinikta mo na may tattoo ka, then definitely that airline will not hire you, unfortunately. So our 8th requirement is actually the physical fitness. Yung lakas ng katawan, di ba, yung health condition ng isang applicant. Basically, kailangan, syempre, sabi ko nga, it's a physical job, so kailangan malakas yung katawan natin to be a flight attendant. Sobrang importante yung strength ng back dito, doon sa aeroplano. Kaya, if you have severe case of scoliosis, then most of the airlines will not take you. May mga airlines na somehow nagbibigay pa rin ng chance for them by giving them a waiver to sign. And syempre, kapag ka nag-worsen yung condition over their career there, definitely hindi na sila papayagan lumipad. If you have a hepatitis disease of any type, hepatitis A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, syempre hindi pwede kahit anong letter pa ng hepatitis because liver diseases is highly contagious, kaya hindi yan pwede sa aeroplano. Hindi rin pwede yung mga hearing impairment, yung mahina yung pandinig, because may mga commands on board na kailangan marinig. There might be safety commands, a command for evacuation or a command for firefighting na kailangan madinig lahat ng cabin crew. Kaya if you have limitations with hearing, then definitely hindi pwedeng maging flight attendant. Vision, so eye condition. During my time, mga airlines will only hire people with 20/20 vision. Pero nowadays, we are so lucky because airlines are slowly opening up. They are allowing people who are wearing glasses or wearing contact lenses to operate flights. On your application, however, I strongly suggest you do not wear your glasses and wear your contact lenses instead. may mga airlines pa rin na medyo sobrang strict with the IR requirement, pero at least there are a lot of other options, a lot of other airlines to apply to. Meron din tayong condition sa eyes na hindi pinapayagan lumipad, such as night blindness, yung pagkagabi, lumalabo yung paningin or parang nagkakaglare yung mga liwanag sa gabi is also not allowed to fly. And yung mga color blind, yung mga maling perception sa color, kapag tumingin ka sa color blue, nagiging parang green, yung red nagiging parang orange sa paningin. So those conditions are definitely not allowed to fly. Or last requirement, we're talking about gender. Because nowadays, the airlines are slowly opening up for the transgenders, and they are actually taking them in, such as what Cebu Pacific did in the Philippines. Right now, MIFAS is also accepting transgender students because we don't believe in the division of sexuality in your will and passion to serve. So those are the physical requirements. However, we have enough time pa para isingit pa natin yung educational requirement. Nowadays, we are so lucky kasi binaba na ng mga airlines. Most of the airlines yung kanilang educational requirement. Kung before, you have to be a college graduate or kailangan mo pang kumuha ng 2 years in college. Ngayon, even high school graduates can become flight attendants. May medyo maling interpretation na ng maraming Filipinos na you have to take tourism in order to become a flight attendant. You have to be a tourism graduate bago ka makapag-apply as a flight attendant. You see, I took up civil engineering in Mapua. Marami rin akong barkada dun sa mga airlines ko na architects, na lawyers, na doctors, dating waiters, dating waitresses, dating sales ladies. So, you see, walang kinalaman talaga yung educational background dun sa pagiging FA. The airlines will hire you not because of your brain, but because of your heart and soul for service. And for our last requirement, we are going to be talking about the communication skills. Sobrang importante yung communication skills para sa flight attendants dahil you will be engaging with a lot of customers every day. Ibang tao yung kasama mo. Every day you'll be taking care of people from all walks of life. And you will need to talk. So, kailangan talaga you have your own smooth ways of going around topics. Kailangan maparamdam mo sa mga customers mo, sa mga guests, sa passengers mo na yes, you are there for them and you're so much willing to listen to them and so much willing to share what you want to share. So, in order to become a flight attendant, the airlines will be very strict in choosing you depending on sa communication skills. Kaya, please master the communication skills in order to become a good and qualified flight attendant. So you see guys, you don't need to look like a model, to feel like a model to become a flight attendant. You just need to look pleasant, kailangan mo lang alagaan yung sarili mo, and with the right blend of confidence, a little bit of wit, and a lot of sense of humor, definitely you can become one. You can become like us. So there you go guys. I hope nakatulong yung mga pinayo ko sa inyo today. I hope nakatulong yung mga guidelines na binigay ko sa inyo today. And if you have any other questions, pag may gusto pa kayong i-discuss ko, you can just write it in the comment section. Kapag may gusto kayong mga future episodes in this series of flight attendance tutorial, sabihin nyo lang sa akin and I will definitely do that for you. Siyempre, andito ako to help and assist you guys. Guys, shout out nga pala sa mga kaibigan natin. To Aliana Thompson of Guagua, Pampanga. Hi sa'yo. And also sa mga kasama ko sa Mobile Legends squad, yung mga squad mates ko. Hi to Marvin Santos of Kalumpit, Bulacan. And of course, to his beautiful girlfriend, Patricia Colleen Sagalang of Plaridel, Bulacan. I hope you guys enjoyed the show. So there you go guys. Thank you so much for watching and for supporting our channel. Please do not forget to follow us on Instagram, follow us on Twitter, like us on Facebook, and of course, subscribe to our channel, The Cool Channel. So, as always, please stay home, stay safe, and stay cool.